Good morning, children. See, in last class we have discussed about the Malnad region and the coastal areas. So you all would have understood the topics. So in this class we are going to study about the Maidan region. So you can see the map here. Maidan region has been classified into two. One is northern Karnataka and southern Karnataka. The northern Maidan and southern Maidan. Okay. So let us see in detail about the southern Maidan and northern Maidan. First we will discuss about the introduction of this Maidan region. To the east of the Malnad region, you can see the vast plain with the height of approximately 450 to 760 meters. So it is the areas where irrigated by the areas are irrigated by river Krishna, the Tungabhadra, then Kaveri. See, there are many ridges in this area. The land sloping towards the east and rising in the height from the north to south, and the Maidan has been divided into two parts. One is the northern Maidan and the southern Maidan. Let us see first the northern Maidan. So it's a vast plain with the black soil, and it's extensively plateau, and it is around 365 to 610 meters above the sea level. Understood? Hills and hillocks can be seen at the different places. So prominent among them are Naragund Hill, Parasagada Gudda, Gurumitkal Gudda, Ilkal Gudda, etc. And areas to the east of Saudatti and Badami have a limestone with faulting. Let us see the pictures of the hills. So you know the land won't be flat or a plain. So it's an elevated plateau, we can say. Then it has produced rugged landforms. The most important among this are we can see the Gokak waterfalls. In your this one I have shown the picture, and it is about 62 meters height and created by the Ghataprabha river. You all know that. Then Chaya Bhagavati and Sogula are the other important waterfalls in the region. The districts of Bida, Vijaypura, Kalaburgi, Yadagiri, Gadag, Koppal, then Raichur, Ballari, Haveri, Bagalkot are some of the important, some parts of Dharwad and Belagavi districts are located in the northern Maidan. So this region is very hot in summer, and it's called a land of sunshine. You can make a note of it. And what are the different crops grown here? Like jowar, bajra, groundnut, then cotton and pulses are mainly grown here. Understood? See, in the southern Maidan, this area extends from the Tungabhadra river basin in the north to the Chamarajnagar district in the south. You'll see in the map. See in the map here. See, it is a plateau with abundant red soil, and it has uneven surface with many ups and downs, and it has a height of around 900 to 975 meters, and it is higher than the northern Maidan. Understood? And the slopes towards the east, you can see the map here. Then there are many hills. They are like Chitradurga Hills, Narayan Durga Hills, Shravan Durga. See Narayan Durga, Shravan Durga, then Shivgange in Bangalore Rural District, Madhugiri Hill in the Tumkur district is the biggest monolithic hill in Asia. And Nandi Hills, you can see the picture here. So all southern hill stations. You can see this monolithic hill. It's a single rock or a monolithicness. It's a monolithic hill in Asia. And Nandi Hills, Chennakeshava Hill, then Kavaladurga, Skandagiri Hill near Chikbalapur district, Adi Chinchandgiri Hill. Understood? These are the different hills you can see here. And Bilirgiri Ranganabetta, Malay Madheshwara Hill, Himada Gopalaswamy Hill in Chamarajanagar district, then Chamundi Hill in Mysore district. These are all very prominent this hills of southern Maidan. And this area is rain shadow of the Western Ghats. Understood? See, in this area, southern Maidan, Kaveri, like Palar and Penna river flows here. Understood? And the important crops like ragi, then sugarcane, groundnut, mulberry, then vegetables, a variety of fruits and flowers are the main crops grown here. And Davangere and Chitradurga, Tumkur, then Kolar, Mandya, Mysore and Chamarajanagar districts are in the southern Maidan. You can see the map here. You can see in the map the important districts which lies in the northern Maidan and the southern Maidan. And let us quickly recall what are the important things we have discussed in this class. We have discussed about the Maidan region. Maidan region is divided into two parts. One is northern Maidan and southern Maidan. Northern part of our Karnataka is known as northern Maidan and southern part of our Karnataka is known as southern Maidan. No, different type hills are located in this place. Then important monolithic hill lies in the southern Maidan and Nandi Hill and all. It's very famous hill stations are there. Then Malay Madheshwaran Betta and all. It's a very good place to visit. And the important districts lies there in the northern Maidan and the southern Maidan. And majority of crops are grown in northern Maidan and the southern Maidan. So from this we'll end this chapter, and if you have any doubts you are always welcome to chat with me. So, and the question answers you have to send me in the WhatsApp. So if you have doubts please let me know. I hope everything is clear. Thank you. Take care. Bye.